Series, Season number 1, Race number 3. We're here at Chicagoland Speedway as 36 of NASCAR Cup Series drivers are going to take on this 1.5 mile oval as part of its return to the NASCAR Cup Series here on this 4th of July weekend. My name is Isaac. I'll be your commentator for today and every race of this season. As I mentioned, 36 drivers are all going to race here this afternoon. One of them is going to take home the checkered flag, just as Ty Gibbs and Christopher Bell did in our first two races. Kyle Larson will look to do that today as he starts on pole alongside Alex Bowman, teammates there on the front row. It's going to be fun, and I hope that you will enjoy. As I mentioned, Christopher Bell and Ty Gibbs won the opening two races, the Daytona and Watkins Glen. They might be some ones to watch here today, but we got our ones to watch for this afternoon. Kyle Larson, of course, he starts on pole, as I mentioned earlier. Carson Hocevar, he's been really good the last 2 weeks. Can he finally break through and get a win? Ty Gibbs, he's won that race last time out in Watkins Glen, looking to do it again here today. And Ryan Blaney will look to be good as well. And hey, if you want to sign up to sponsor a car, you can do so. Go into the comment section below or the link in the description. Type the name that you want to go by and the driver that you want to sponsor. It's free and you'll be in all of these videos for the 2026 Season 1 campaign. Just as you see up there with Kyle Busch and his sponsor, Jacob Studios. You'll be congratulated if you win, and you'll be in the starting lineup you'll see here in a second. As the cars roll off, here it is, the starting lineup for race number 3 here today. It's Kyle Larson and Alex Bowman in row number 1. Then it's Denny Hamlin and Joey Logano in row 2. Bubba Wallace and Ryan Blaney make up row number 3. And then it's row 4 for Carson Hocevar and Eric Jones. The top 10 will be completed with Ross Chastain and Noah Gragson in row 5. Row 6 is Ty Gibbs and William Byron. And it's row number 7 for Connor Zilisch and Tyler Reddick. Chris Buescher and Christopher Bell make row number 8. That's a pair of Chris's. And then it's a pair of Toyotas, John Hunter Nemechek and Chase Briscoe in row 9. Austin Cindric and Shane Van Gisbergen make row 10 their home. And that's row number 11 for Zane Smith and Austin Dillon. Todd Gilliland and Corey Heim are in row 12. It'll be Heim's first start of the season. And two red cars make row 13 is Josh Berry and Chase Elliott. Brad Keselowski and Daniel Suarez in row 14. Then it's row 15 for Austin Hill and AJ Allmendinger. Row 16 is Ricky Stenhouse Jr. and Ty Dillon. And then it's row number 17, Ryan Preece, next to Cole Custer. Our final 18th row will be Riley Herbst and Michael McDowell. Now we're going to take a look at your race analysis for today's race. It's a 16-lap race. 36 cars make up the field. And it's Kyle Larson on pole. Round number 3 of this season. And as I mentioned, it's 4th of July weekend and the return to Chicagoland for the NASCAR Cup Series. It's going to be good. Kyle Larson, Alex Bowman, Denny Hamlin, Joey Logano all ready to go here for race number 3 of Season 1 of the Liberty Cup Series. The fans are on their feet. I'm excited to go. I hope you are as well. Let's get it going. Green flag in Chicagoland. Bubba Wallace 3 wide. Chastain sending it as well. Larson leads lap 1. Now Wallace up to 2nd. Chastain following through. These are the first laps Larson has led this season. So he'll lead lap number 4. Bowman looking. And we got trouble. It's Josh Berry around. Daniel Suarez looks like to have some damage as well. It's the caution out for the first time today. Let's see what happened. Oh, it looks like Daniel, he about wrecked himself. Oh, man. Yeah, just locked it up there going into the corner, got loose into the 21. He goes around. Great save for Daniel Suarez. Josh Berry, unfortunately, is going to be out of the race. Daniel will be able to continue. There's one more look at it. We're going to get back to the choose, though, and it'll be once again same front row of Larson and Bowman. This time, however, Bubba Wallace will start alongside Ryan Blaney in row 2. That's Chastain and Hocevar in row 3. We're back to green. Ross sends it 3 wide. He'll get a couple positions, but Bowman's going to get it back to 2nd. Oh, we got trouble. Big crash. William Byron on his side momentarily. Noah Gragson involved as well, and the caution is out. A huge hit for William Byron on the front straightaway. Look at what happened. That is a massive shot. The 4, Gragson comes off the wall into the 24, and Byron goes up in the air on his side in the wall. That is a heavy lick. Good for him. He's back on his wheels after that one. Car didn't go over like we saw Ryan Preece do at Daytona, but it did get on his side. Both of them are going to be out of the race. Chris Buescher also had some damage, as we got the zoomed in cam here. Yeah, there's Buescher getting hit. There you see him. He's got a little bit of damage, but will be able to continue. Unfortunately, the 4 and the 24 are not the same, can be said. Once again, it's the same Hendrick front row of Larson and Bowman. Blaney and Wallace swap lanes this time, and it's once again Chastain and Hocevar in row 3. We're getting ready. We're back to green. Big slide for the 12, and that's going to make chaos behind. Hocevar looking for the lead, and he's got it. 2 cars in pit road, but it's our new leader, Carson Hocevar. Dillon making moves. So is Bubba Wallace. Larson back to the inside for second. Whoa, big save for Austin Hill. What a save as we get into lap traffic. Larson trying, can't make the move. Coming to 2 laps to go. This time by. Ty Dillon nearly wrecks. Down the backstretch. Dillon trying to get to the inside. He's going to. And out of turn 4, Austin Dillon will win in Chicagoland. What a final lap or two for Austin Dillon. What a move. Look at that. Got to the outside and right around the 77. And Hocevar again has one slip through his fingers in the final closing laps. That's 3 weeks in a row. How about that save for Austin Hill? That car's completely sideways off the bumper at Ty Dillon. Ty Dillon almost wrecked as well during that run. But ultimately, it's Austin Dillon who burns it down with the Kyle Busch flag. He wins here in Chicagoland, and this is going to be a one to celebrate with that 8th flag in his windshield. What a moment for this RCR team, and what a final lap pass for Austin. Again, he wins over Carson Hocevar, Kyle Larson, Alex Bowman, John Hunter Nemechek gets the top 5. And as you look further down, top 20 get points. So Todd Gilliland, he gets the last point with 1. Chase Briscoe, Ryan Blaney, Shane Van Gisbergen, they get their first points of the season today. It's good to get their cars in the right direction. But yeah, great job for Austin Dillon getting those max 25 points. We go further down. It's 21st, Ryan Preece, the first car to not get points. He was also the last car on the lead lap, as Daniel Suarez is the first car off of it, 1 lap down. You look further down, Gragson, Byron, Barry, all out of the race. Austin Cindric had damage. He got into the wall on the restart. That's why he was in pit road. Austin Hill back there in the 33 after nearly wrecking. A great save by him. As you take a look here, this is the point standings. It's Gibbs sits atop it with Bowman behind. Top 10 will go on to the 3-race chase at the end of the season. So Josh Berry is ahead of Christopher Bell and John Hunter Nemechek by 1 point on that cut line. You look further down. Got those guys with 0. AJ Allmendinger, Ryan Preece, the 2 cars that have not scored points this season yet, being full-time drivers. They have to pick up the pace if they want to have a chance to get into the chase later this season. Well, everyone, I thank you so much for watching this. Congratulations to Austin Dillon for winning here today. Thank you to everybody who signed up to sponsor a race car in the first couple videos of this season. I thank you guys so much. I had so much fun making its race, as always. Our next race is going to be Bristol Motor Speedway, race number 4 of season number 1. And one's a personal favorite of mine, so I know it's going to be a good show. So again, thank you guys for watching. Hope that you will like and subscribe so you don't miss that one. Sign up to sponsor a driver if you have yet to do so. Sponsor one that has yet to be taken or one that only has one sponsor. But congratulations to Austin Dillon for winning here in Chicagoland. I hope that you guys will have had a great day, and I will see you in the next one.